welcome back to my channel.
In today's video, we'll be seeing this natural glam makeup look. It's subtle, it's fresh, and it's one of my absolute favorite looks.
Not really an easy makeup look, but I'll assure you that with some amount of patience and practice we'll be able to do it. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm Tanusree and I make videos on beauty, fashion and lifestyle and much more. So I would request you to please go down and subscribe. It's free, and without much delay, let's get started.
I'm starting it off with a concealer. I'll apply it on both my eyelids evenly. I'll do half my eye makeup first and the remaining after applying the foundation. Next, I'm gonna apply some powder on my eyelids to absorb those extra oils. While applying the eyeshadow, I'll select a color very close to my eyelid. I'll start applying the color from the outer corner of my eye. I'll move the brush in a circular motion upwards, moving the brush towards the inner corner of my eye. I'm taking a brown eyeshadow and applying it like a liner. I'm not taking a black one because it won't really make my eyes look natural. Next, I'm taking a darker color and applying it on my lower lash line. I'll take my brush to remove the extra powder from my face. I love applying a white kajal on my lower lash line because it makes your eyes look bigger.
video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Hit that bell icon so that whenever I upload a video, you get notified. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.